All right, boom's clear. Hook it. Hooked. Take her up slow. Swing it right, guide the end. Looks level. Lock it in. All right, let's get this measurement. Looks like 96 inches on the nose. Perfect. All right, let's make this cut. Watch that sawdust fly. All right, last batch. Keep it steady. Got it, boss. Moving fast. Shoot clear. Good. One more round. Done. What's next? All right, let's get this seated properly. Securing the corners now. There we go. Beautiful view. All right, ready? Lift on three. Three. Okay, guide it in. Push. It's set. Looks good. All right, ready for the next one. Okay, make sure it's snug in the corners. Looks good. This stuff is easy to work with. All right, fluxing the joints to prepare for soldering. Heating the pipe evenly now. Applying solder, it should flow nicely into the joint. And we're sealed. On to the next one. Okay, opening the box now. Let's pull out the first plank. Look at these natural knots in the grain and the side profile. Beautiful craftsmanship. Okay, ready? On three. Ready? 1, 2, 3, down. Keep it level. Almost there. Set. All right, let's get this cooktop seated. Gently guide it down, align the edges, press firmly to secure it in place. And it's in, a seamless hidden look. Okay, slide it right up to the window. Level looks good. Check the base. Foam pads are in. Tightening the drain now. Perfect. We're all set. All right, let's get this hung. Okay, hooking it up. Looks perfect. Align the recessed LED strip along the beam. Secure it with clips spaced evenly. Press firmly to lock each clip in place. Now power on for a warm, even glow. Okay, let's move it to the right. Got it. Ready? Lift. Easy now. Almost there. Looks perfect. Let's set it down. First, connect the low-voltage wire to the fixture. Next, secure the fixture into the ground. Finally, connect the wiring and activate the lights. The warm light highlights the wood's texture.